last video we saw sixth sum. Now we are going to see seventh sum. If f mapping R to R and G mapping R to R are defined by f of x equal to x power 5 and g of x equal to x power 4, then check if f, g are 1 to 1 and f of g is 1 to 1. So now we are going to check f, g or 1 to 1 and then we are going to check f of g is 1 to 1 or not. Okay. So first I am going to write solution here. First write solution. So f of x, what they given here? X power 5. So if I am taking here f of a equal to f of b, this is the condition for proving 1 to 1, right? Then a equal to b, because if a equal to b means here 1 you are putting, b also 1, 2, 2. So 1 is mapping with 1 element, right? So it is 1 to 1. So assume f of a equal to f of b. We are going to assume this. So what is f of a value? Here x is there, here also x. Here a is there, here you are going to substitute a power 5. F of b, it's nothing but b power 5. Okay. Now you just substitute here f of a equal to f of b. So what is f of a value? A power 5. Here what is f of b? B power 5. So if you are checking 1 to 1 function, you have to see the powers. It is odd power or even power. Odd power means surely it will be 1 to 1, because if you are putting 1 here, minus 1 here, you will get again answer minus 1. If you are putting plus 1 here, again you will get plus 1 only. So if you are, for example, listen here, if you are putting minus 1, you will get minus 1. If you are putting plus 1, plus 1. So 1 is mapping with like this, minus 1, plus 1, 2, 2, like that. So if you are cancelling this, it will be equal, right? A equal to b. So it is a f of x is a f of x equal to x power 5 is a 1 to 1, because one element in a is mapped with one element in b, right? So it is 1 to 1 function. F of x is a 1 to 1 function because the powers are odd power. If odd power means surely it will be 1 to 1 only. If you are putting minus 1, here also minus 1, plus 1, minus 2, so same. So one element is mapped in a with b, right? So it is 1 to 1. Now we will check it g of x. They given g of x. So what is g of x? They given x power 4. So if again you just consider g of a equal to g of b, then a equal to b. Assume g of a equal to g of b. G of a means what is the value for g of a? You just write here a power 4, and g of b means b power 4. Now you just substitute here g of a equal to g of b. So a power 4 equal to b power 4. So if you are putting here, it is plus or minus. If you are putting minus 1, it automatically it will goes on plus value only, because in even number power you should see it is even power. Even power means if you are putting negative value also, it will become positive value. So minus 1 means 1 only you will get, plus 1 also you will get 1 only. So here you just see both are mapped with a single element. Okay, both are mapped with single element. It is not a 1 to 1, it's a many to 1, right? So it is not a 1 to 1 function. So you should clear in this sum, you should remember if power is odd power, it is 1 to 1, because one element is mapped with another element. Okay, so here one element is mapped with one element, right? Here one element is two elements are mapped with a single element. Here it's not a 1 to 1. So therefore you just cancel here powers. So you will get again answer a equal to plus or minus b only you will get. So you will get plus value or negative value. So g of x equal to x power 4 is not 1 to 1 functions. Okay, and then next one, Now we are going to check f of g. You know very well what is the first here, first function f, right outside, second function inside, and f, right, what is g of x value, x power 4. Now you just substitute in, here f of x is there, here also x, here also x. Now you just substitute here instead of this x power 4, right, x power 4 the whole power 5. So we'll get x power 20. So this is odd function or even function. See the power, it is odd number or even number, it's a even number, right, it's a even number. So therefore even number means you know very well, it is not 1 to 1 function. Even number means what I said, it is not 1 to 1 function. So you should write, if f of g of a equal to g of b, then a equal to b. Assume f of g of a equal to f of g of b. So a power 20 equal to b power plus or minus b power 20. So 20 cancel, so a equal to plus or minus b. So if you are putting a equal to plus a equal to b or a equal to minus b. So it is getting two values, right? If you are putting 1 here, 1 minus 1. So 1 and minus 1 having the same element, mapping with same element. Therefore f of g of ex is not 1 to 1, is not 1 to 1 function. So நல்லா புரிஞ்சிக்கணும். இதில் ஆட் பவரில் இருக்கிறது மட்டும்தான் நமக்கு வந்து என்னது 1 to 1 வரும். ஈவன் பவர் பாருங்கள், ஈவன் நம்பராக இருந்தால் கண்டிப்பாக அது 1 to 1 வரவே வராது. ஸோ ரிமெம்பர் திஸ் again and again. Thank you. We will see next sum in next video. Thank you.